How to remove all Instagram likes all at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can remove all of the Instagram likes that you may have done. So if you're wondering on how you can do that, how you can remove it, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to remove all of the Instagram likes. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram in your device and log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you can just go ahead and open up, this account at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you reach here, go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner of the screen. Once you reach over here, you're going to look out for the Your Activity section. You can easily find it right here below the archive. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding all of the interactions. So we're going to look out for the likes option here as we are removing all the likes. You will be finding all of the likes that you've done and post, all of the posts here. So in order to remove those likes, what you can do is simply tap on select. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and select every one of them. And once that is done, you can just tap on this unlike option and confirm it, and the like will be removed just like that. So that is how you unlike some posts from Instagram all at once, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.